What's up, winners? On this channel, we learned to see through manipulation happen. This one is funny. I think Meghan has multiple instances of not knowing what coconut oil is, but this one is funny. We get to see the host actually point it out a little bit. This is a funny one too. Look at Meghan's with her little toast. Let's check it out.
And she's going to show us how to make meatless tacos for our Taco Tuesday night soiree.
Yeah, and I have to say, it smells absolutely delicious, and you're using all these wonderful, healthy ingredients, which I'm sure the good doctor will approve of.
Thumbs up.
I got 2 thumbs up from him, so this is great. And how do we get started with this?
Off to a good start. We are going to just saute a
Oh,
little bit of...
It's so funny, like she's so uncoordinated with it. And this was Meghan's, but she's going back to this. I was gonna say this was Meghan's chef influencer phase, but she's going back to it. By the way, guys, for more content, it might just be me behind the scenes stuff. I just made an Instagram, winning C Dylan, the Instagram. So check it out. We'll see what goes on there. It'll be what you guys like. So
chopped red onions in the pan. Use coconut oil or a little bit of olive oil to start with. I love using coconut oil, by the way. The doctor will attest to it.
Yes, explain to us the health benefits of coconut oil.
You know, so my understanding, it helps to lower your cholesterol. Some other ones.
It's also great compared with cooking all.
Just completely making stuff up. It's like, yeah, coconut oil, that's trendy.
You can't cook it at a high temperature, otherwise it goes rancid, it gets bad.
Right.
Coconut oil is great for that.
Yeah, anything at a high temperature. Yeah, so we're going to use it also for these peppers later.
She has no idea. Like, yeah, anything at high temperatures. Yeah, peppers too.
We're going to add some garlic.
She has no idea what she's talking about. She doesn't put in the work. That's the crazy thing. She only puts effort into like her little social machinations. But you know, like, it's not that hard. At least practice the recipe that you're going to pretend that you're an expert on. This is a great little pause. And we had some, yeah, exactly. Some good comments on YouTube. Yes, she's like, oh, let's see. We have no idea. Yeah, she had no clue. Anyway, guys, check out the Instagram. Might be some behind the scenes stuff, extra content, and let me know what you want to see on there. Winning C Dylan. See you guys soon.